were lucky enough to get funding for a replication project. So we're looking at malnutrition and dehydration prevention in seniors. And that's important in our area. I'm from Indianapolis, and we have really a very high number of seniors that are suffering from food insecurity. So that's basically why we chose this project.
Tell us about the why and motivation behind your project.
Indianapolis is actually an aging city, and so they predict that by 2050 that seniors will overtake millennials. And so the city has been kind of unprepared for these changes, especially around like senior meal sites, senior services in general, dementia care, all of these different types of things. Although we have some innovative work that's going on with a couple of the universities and so forth, and so I wanted to be part of that with this grant.
How did you go about finding appropriate partners or partner organizations?
So we've had a long-standing partnership with our Area Agency on Aging. So that was kind of our first stop. However, due to a couple of different circumstances with, centering around money and staff, they weren't able to participate with us, although they've kind of given us some background help. But we had enough other community partners through the health department, working with some of like the low-income senior housing, a lot of the different food pantries, and it just kind of coincided with our work.
In your opinion, what is the most important personality trait or strength someone would need to be successful throughout this project?
Flexibility. We've had to change gears a lot, and so you can't get too caught up on one idea. Like, you have to be able to shift gears and move in another direction to be successful.
What do you wish you would have known prior to beginning the project?
I could have used a little more maybe training in working with different partners. That can be any kind of team building or coalition building or partnership building, however you want to phrase it. It takes a lot of work, and I was missing a few of those skills initially, so I feel like some of them have been self-taught, but I could have used a little more training going into it.